size AB crystal beads and matching 6mm crystal beads, paired with 1 small gold bead, 925 silver ear hooks, 1 4K T-pins, 0.3mm color-lasting copper wire, and 2mm oval chains. Take a piece of 0.3mm copper wire, thread on a 4mm crystal bead, then connect an oval chain. Fold the wire back and pass it through the crystal bead again. Cut the oval chain. Then thread the other end of the wire through the chain. Again, fold the wire back and pass it through the crystal bead. For the specific making method, you can refer to my previous video. This part of the video explains the techniques and methods very clearly.
You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain.
To make the tassel ends, thread a crystal bead onto a T-pin. Use flat nose pliers to bend a 90-degree angle. Then use round nose pliers to form a small loop.
Been waiting for you all my life. You are my dream.
After trimming the wire, connect it to the bottom of the tassel. We make 3 tassels like this. For the middle tassel, use a 6mm crystal bead at the end, so it creates a layered effect. Finally, take a piece of 0.4mm wire and thread through all 3 tassels in order. Using a twisting technique in your tools.
You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration.
Twist the 0.4mm wire into a straight line, then thread on a small gold bead as decoration. Use flat nose pliers to bend a right angle, then wrap the wire around round nose pliers to form the connection loop.
I will never let you go.
Attach the ear hook.
I will never let you go.
And a beautiful tassel earring is finished. The tassel length is about 8.5 centimeters, and the effect when worn is really beautiful.